Hi guys, and welcome to the 2018 Russia World Cup. The finals will be France vs Croatia. Hopefully it will be one of the best matches the World Cup has ever seen before, and I wish both teams good luck. For those France fans who are rooting for their country or for their team, this origami tutorial is for you. It will show you how to make the French flag. It's fairly easy and doesn't need a whole lot of skill. So let us begin. You need 3 pieces of paper, 3 square pieces of paper, blue, white and red. I'm going to show you how to make one of the pieces, and then you'll do the rest. So to start off, what we are going to do is we are going to pinch the first 2 folds. So we're going to fold like this and pinch the 2 edges. And we're going to unfold and fold in the other half direction and pinch the 2 edges. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 pinch marks. You are going to fold this edge, these 2 corners to the middle pinch marks. Fold completely from now on onwards. Unless I say so, all folds will be complete folds. Turn around, rotate 180 and do the same. Unfold, rotate 90 degrees and do the same. Unfold, rotate 180 degrees and do the same. Unfold. So now we have this piece of folded paper. Now we're going to fold all the edges to the quarter mark, which is quarter line, which is the fold we just made. We're going to fold all the edges to the quarter line. Alright, so now you have this piece of folded paper. So now, using your other 3 pieces of paper, you are going to do the same thing. I have already done my pieces of paper, my other ones. So here we have blue, white and red, the colors of the French flag. So to begin, we're going to grab the white flag, and we're going to fold the top edge along this crease. Okay, now you're going to grab the blue paper and you're going to fold the bottom, you're going to mount and fold the bottom edge along the same crease, like this. Now, you're going to take the white paper and the blue paper, and you're going to slide the blue paper under this flap, making sure that this is 1 unit over the white piece of paper. Turn over, and we are going to fold along, we're going to mount and fold along this edge, along this crease. Now we are going to valley fold along this crease, bringing this flap back on top. Bring the white paper back to the top. Okay, now we're just going to, from here, I'm going to fold this corner from here to here so that this edge will meet this edge. You're gonna do the same on the bottom, folding so that this edge will meet this edge. Okay, and so now you have it. You have completed interlocking these two flaps. Now you're gonna do the same with the white and red piece of paper. So you're gonna fold the bottom, mountain fold the bottom crease of the paper. You're gonna slide it into the white piece of paper, making sure that it overlays by 1 unit. You're gonna make sure this bottom crease, this bottom flap, like the blue piece of paper, also is underneath, wrapped around like that. And then you're gonna turn over and you're gonna mountain fold on this, on the white crease, on the white paper, on this crease. So right there, you're gonna mountain fold. I need to fix my paper. So you're gonna mountain fold on that crease and valley fold on this crease. There you go. Turn over and you are going to lift up this flap, and you're going to fold this edge to this edge, like this. You're going to do the same on the bottom. And so now you are almost done. You're going to turn over, and on the red piece of paper, you're going to mountain fold on this crease. Not this one, because we've been working on these creases. I'm going to mountain fold on this crease, like that. Now on this piece of paper, on the blue piece of paper, you're going to turn over and fold this edge to this edge right here, like this. And so now you are almost done with your French flag. So making sure that this top flap is facing the top, you're going to mountain fold along this crease, like that. And then you're going to flatten everywhere. And for the final step, you're going to turn over and fold this edge to this edge. And you have now completed the French flag. I hope you French fans have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope the best for your team. Bye.